So today I'm washing my down bag, and these bags have really evolved into some pretty sophisticated products in the last 50 years. So I think my first bag was sewn together blankets. I think the first time I saw a down bag was in Glacier in 1968. And in the 70s I bought a down bag, but down at the time was kind of a problem because you had to keep it dry. You know, when it gets wet, just like washing it here, it's just clumped. There's no insulation value. And so I had to be real careful with that bag in those days. In 1999, when I hiked the Continental Divide Trail, Eastern Mountain Sports sponsored me and gave me a down bag with a Pertex lining, which was waterproof. It was amazing. I still have that bag, but it weighs 4 pounds. And so, you know, now I've got this Z-Packs bag, and you know, I treat it really carefully because it actually feels pretty delicate. And I hand wash my bags. You can machine wash them, but I hand wash them in the tub. And when you put it in the tub, you know, it's like a balloon. You get all this air in here. You got to get that air out to get the water into the down, and you don't want to blow these seams out, so you have to be real slow and cautious with it. So today I used Granger's concentrated down wash. I usually use Nick Wax. I just found Granger's. But you really should wash your bag on a regular basis. I mean, only you know how much you've used it and how you've used it and how you've cared for it, but keeping it fluffed out when you're not using it, stored properly, and keep that down clean as much as you can will really extend the life of this bag. And I've had this bag since I think 2014 maybe, and you know, I buy a cold weather bag, but it's gonna last me a long time. You know, it's not a mummy bag per se. It's shaped like a mummy, but it doesn't have the hood, it doesn't have the collar on it like a lot of bags do, the zipper collar to keep cold out. You sleep on this zipper. And again, I take really good care of it, wash it quite often, and that's kind of the secret to it lasting a long time. Take care of your gear. Keep smiling.